Succession planning is the key to this year's success in the garden. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners, for another episode. So, when doing your garden, you need to have some goals, and I have set some goals for my garden this year and what I want to achieve with it. And so we're going to go over the salad greens portion of that today. And my goal is to have 7 salads a week from my garden because I don't like store-bought. To achieve this, I'm also going to want to plant a variety because, just one type of lettuce is not going to be good. In fact, not just lettuce, but I want to get a few other things into my salads. For a healthy diet, I'm going to plant other greens as well, like bok choy and Swiss chard. But just planting a variety of salad greens won't get me to that goal because even though planting a variety is good, it'll all come ready to harvest at one time. Sort of like the farmer that plants a great big field. He wants to harvest everything at once. That would be great if I was making sauerkraut with my cabbage, but if I want just some cabbage to eat here and there, I need to plant a succession. So I need to plant some food each week or every 2 weeks in order to get a harvest that's ready every 2 weeks. I'm dedicating an entire small bed to just growing salad greens. And don't forget a few things to garnish your salad with, like these wonderful edible nasturtium flowers. And things like chives are not just a garnish, they can also make a wonderful vinaigrette. So watch this video and learn how. All right, so my salad greens are washed and I'm going to weigh them in for my video. If I don't drop them all on the floor first. I know that's not very much weight, but hey, every little bit counts, right? Let's see if we can get these measured out. .8 pounds. So 0.8 pounds. Almost 0.9. So there we go. Thank you, Rebel Canners. And then for my eggs, I have 1 pound, 9.6 ounces. So, that's what we have for our eggs.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.